Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Once again, welcome to the online session. My dear students, today's topic is usage glossary from unit 11 and pages 219 and 221. So please open your grammar and language workbook, these pages. Usage accept to a lot. So words that are similar are sometimes misused. Now you would find that we have synonym or we have homonym. These words are called that they have the same pronunciations and they can be misused. Accept and accept. Now you can find here accept, accept. So accept means to receive and accept means other than. I accept your apology. It means I receive your apology, I accept. Everyone is here except Lisa. So accept means other than. It means all were present but Lisa was absent. So accept and accept. And next we have other two words, already. So already means completely prepared, already. There is a gap between two words, all and ready. Already, it means already. And the other one with single L, already. So already means before, by this time. Look at the example, I am all ready for the exam. I'm all ready for the exam. But if you say they had already eaten, they had already eaten. Now already, there is a difference in the pronunciation, also in the spelling. I'm all ready for the exam, and they had already eaten by this time or before. Now all together and altogether. All together means in a group. All together means in a group. And altogether, same like in the previous pattern, altogether means completely or entirely. Look at the example. The puppy sleep all together in the box. The puppy sleep all together in the box. You are altogether too modest. So you are altogether too modest. Altogether means completely too modest or entirely. Now a lot means very much. It is always two words, a lot, because its meaning is vague. Vague means not clear. Vague means not clear. So a lot, its meaning is vague, unclear. It is more acceptable to use many or much or to give a specific amount. Example, our library has a lot of books. It's vague. A lot, what do you mean by a lot? It's a vague, unclear. Our library has more than 5,000 books. No, it's clear. That's why to give a specific amount or a quantity or specification, so you have to use other than a lot. But if you want to use something vaguely, unclearly, then you should use a lot. I hope that you would have got the meaning. Exercise. Underline the word or words in parentheses that best complete each sentence. Now, this was the example from your book. I met everyone except Suki at the game. So it means that she was absent or he was absent. Sentence 1. I already saw this movie. This means that before time. 2. Mother didn't accept my explanation for being late. 3. Can we travel all together in one car? In a group. Easier. 4. The noisy television was altogether too distracting. Altogether means completely, entirely, too distracting. That it was the reason of not being focusing. Too distracting, because disturbing and disrupting. 5. I like all vegetables except cabbage. 6. Corey completed all the items on the test except the last one. 7. The mail carrier asked if we would accept the package. 8. The radios are piled all together in the storeroom. So radio all together. Coming to usage beside, to choose. Now one is without is, beside means next to, and one beside is with is, which means in addition to. My shoes are beside my bed. It means next to my bed. Besides music, I love astronomy. In addition to. So second one with is. Use between for two things or people, and use among for three or more things or people. The treaty was made between the United States and France, because two countries involved. The 6 new students discussed the schedule among themselves, because more than 6 students, so among. Bring means, the next word, bring means to carry from a distant place to a closer one. Bring means that. Again, bring means to carry something from a distant place to a closer one, to a close place. And take means to carry from a nearby place to a more distant one. So often people use in a wrong way these two words, bring and take. So we should be careful. Please bring me the paper. Evan takes his suits to the cleaners. Now the next paragraph word, choose means with double O, choose. Choose means to select. And choose, and the next one, choose with single O. With double O, choose means to select. And with single O, choose is the past tense of choose. Choose, chose. Choose, chose is the past tense of choose. I usually choose mystery novels. Yesterday I chose a biography or biography. Exercise 1. Underline the word in parentheses that best completes each sentence. Please bring this suitcase to your mother. Please bring this suitcase to your mother. Number 1. There is no difference in price among these 4 jackets. 2. This suitcase is too heavy, so I will not take it on the trip. 3. Our dog sleeps beside the radiator after its bath. 4. Can you take me to school if I miss the bus? Homework. Dear student, please complete the following pages as your homework, which are related to the same topic. So these are the pages 220, 221 and 222. Thank you very much and have a nice day.